Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be taking us through Microsoft Excel errors. Yes. So, what are Microsoft Excel errors? These are mistakes that happen when you're working with Microsoft Excel. Yes. Like remember, most of the work you'll be doing in Microsoft Excel has formulas. So those mistakes arise when you enter something wrong within your formula. Yeah, so we can get a few examples. So like let's say you here I've gotten my total using a formula. Yes, when I tap here you see it in that formula bar. Yes. So let's say I make some changes in this column and enter. Like I've made a change, but then I've put in a wrong value that the Microsoft Excel sheet can't really recognize. So I'll end up with a hash value error in my total. So this shows that the figure I've entered really the Microsoft Excel can't recognize it. That's why it gives me the hash value. Yes. So we can also have some other error. Like let's say so when you get such an error, it means that still the Microsoft Excel can't find the values that you're feeding in this hash n stroke a. It means that the Microsoft Excel is not finding the values you're feeding in. Yes. So this is also another example of the Microsoft Excel errors you can get when you're working with a Microsoft Excel sheet. Yes, so we can also have some other error, like let's say you're working with average and then you want, sorry, so when you're working with the average and so when you're working with average and you realize you have hash div out of 0. So remember average is always like average out of the total number of items that you have. But then here you've made a mistake by dividing it by 0. So you get a hash divide out of 0. So this is also another error. So yeah, this is also an error. You can still get more errors. There are very many different errors you can get. Mm, let's say you're working with this and then that, and here, okay. before we work with that, I'm going to be using this. So let me try and type in something else. Yeah. So you want to get your grading. So we are grading this. This is the formula you can use when you're grading. So I'm meant to use this to get the grades of those different individuals. So you realize that, oh, this is also value not found. Yeah, so there are very many different errors, like the hash name, whereby when you enter in the value, still the worksheet doesn't really recognize it. I mean,